Welcome back to This and That. My name's Dean, and today we're just going to be focusing on a simple formula called sum. We could use sum for negative values, positive values, taking away, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting. In this example here, I'm just going to show you basically the different ways you could use equal sum. So there's four key ones. Obviously, you've got add, subtract, multiply, and divide. We'll use the same two values just so you could see the understanding. And in here, I've added the symbol for each. So add is a plus sign on the keyboard. Subtract is the minus. Multiply is asterisk or star, and divide is a forward slash, or yeah, a forward slash. So for the first one, for adding, again, you would just do equal sum, open brackets, and you would do value 1 shift plus value 2. And then when you close brackets and hit enter, you've got 110. If we were subtracting, so again, you could do equal sum, open the brackets, value 1 minus value 2, close brackets, and hit enter, and we get the answer 90. For multiplying, so equals sum, open brackets, value 1, shift, and it's number 8, so the star, and then select value 2, close brackets, and hit enter, and that will give you your multiply, and equals sum, open brackets, value 1, divide, which will be just a forward slash, value 2, close brackets, and hit enter. And there we go, we've got all our answers there. The other way of doing it as well is, if we don't use the sum, we could just hard code it from the actual values itself. So again, you would just need to put equals, select B3 for value 1, and then just add an add sign. Select C3 for value 2 and hit enter. If you wanted to multiply, again, you would just do equals value 1. In this case, it's B5. Add the multiply star asterisk. Select C5, which is value 2, and hit enter. And so on. So hopefully that's been useful. Please like, share, and subscribe.